How to use promo codes. Promo codes allow you to activate bonuses when you make a deposit, adding extra funds to your account. You can purchase available promo codes for deposit bonuses in the market. Simply select the desired bonus, click Purchase, and then confirm your purchase. Please note, the bonus can only be applied to a deposit made after the promo code has been purchased. Before buying a promo code, make sure to read the terms and conditions of its use and the requirements for execution. You can check the status of your purchased promo code and monitor its progress on the Finance promo codes page. Click Check to view the terms and conditions of the promo code. Activate the purchase promo code here or in the Purchases section. To credit the bonus funds to your account, make a deposit after activating the promo code. Track your progress on the Finance promo codes page. Happy trading with Pocket option. Follow the link in the description.